Well, guys, we got lucky to have this place. I'll show you the room around. This is the forest, okay, and straight away, this is the home. Okay, how cool it is. Think of this, huh? We got this place, and this place you can make. Yeah, this place is really awesome. And if you can see here, hmm, this is really awesome. And the view of our cottage is, see this, how cool it is. And down by there are other cottages. That is the road, and the mountains and all around everywhere. See, this is really awesome. Having fun, guys, lot of fun.